In this video, we will demonstrate how to set up the SonarQube MCP Server in Cursor. You will need to be in connected mode to either SonarQube Cloud or Server. We start in my Cursor editor and head to my SonarQube view. Notice I'm in connected mode. I can actually configure my MCP server here. Or I can head to the AI Agents configuration window and click the button. This starts the configuration process. When it's finished, you will see the SonarQube MCP tools enabled. Then, head to the Agent dialog box, where you can begin to instruct the agent. In this case, I'll ask it to search for security vulnerabilities in my project. And off it goes to work on the task, using the tools the SonarQube MCP Server has at its disposal. It will then report back with what it has found and provide its recommendations. In this example, we then ask it to fix the most important vulnerability, and off it goes. And there you are, all set with the SonarQube MCP Server installed and ready for your instructions. If you're ready to dive deeper, head over to our documentation. I've dropped a link in the description. Happy coding!